Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney Office Hours from March 29th. Apparently, some people on the development team are a bit sick right now, so updates to version 5 have been slower than anticipated. David said there are better aesthetics coming, and an easy mode is also on the way, which means version 5 is close to becoming the default model. He talked about some version 5 optimization, which might be coming soon. This would double the speed, which also means dropping the cost in half, which would just be a big boost to the workflow, and I hope it does happen soon. They've had some GPU difficulties lately, and this comes from a variety of places. The first is growth and how there are more people using Midjourney than ever before. And apparently there are big things happening in the AI world that aren't public yet, so there are other people or companies trying to use the GPUs that Midjourney is currently using. So Midjourney is thinking of taking some of their funds and investing in GPU pools. It's not easy to do and it involves a lot of money. Recently there was also a large group of users with a coordinated effort to get images for free, basically abusing the free trial, and David said this was tens of thousands of people. Midjourney was not prepared for that, so they had to disable free trials and they're not sure when they will be able to turn them back on, because some of the issue is a Discord loophole and they can't just change that overnight. David mentioned that the Midjourney magazine is shipping soon and then talked about version 6. It will be conservative. It's going to have higher resolution, more details, smarter, and better language improvement. But the big change to the language system is going to come in version 7, where apparently we'll be able to put text in our images, and apparently you can use extremely long text prompts and it will get most of it right. That sounds absolutely wild. I can't wait to see what that looks like. They're also trying to invest more in the website with some experimental social features. He said that the web creation stuff is getting better, with a 1 to 2 month timeline for a larger rollout to more users. However, they don't really want people to just make images by themselves. They want to keep the Discord community alive. There's also going to be a better search feature because they're in the process of changing their database. There's also some new Discord features coming. He mentioned more advanced prompting features. I wonder what that could be, as well as some voice activities. I have no idea how that could work. He then talked about some new moderation systems where they're going to have a team that will look at image prompts that get rejected and then hand label them which ones were correctly rejected, in addition to a new AI system that will look at banned prompts and determine if they should be allowed to generate. He said they might need new rules for prompting real people, like they don't want users to be disrespectful, and it's a difficult line to find. There might be different rules for free tiers. I think that's a great idea. He said that most of their problems come from free trial users. There's a quick recap of the Midjourney Office Hours. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time.